In this video, we show how to build a custom agent with Fusio. To start, we create an agent connection to a remote LLM. In this demo, we use Olama, but you can also configure different types like ChatGPT or Gemini. Now we can create a custom agent. An agent has a name, a short description, and an introduction, which describes what the agent does. In our demo, we build an agent which returns a random quote. After save, we want to test the agent. Therefore, we can switch to the message panel of the agent, and we can start to write a message. If we ask for a quote, our agent returns a random quote. So everything works as expected. Now we want that the agent returns a JSON response instead of free text, so that we can use the response of the agent in an API. For this, we can use a schema in the same way as we use schemas at an operation. In this case, the schema describes the structure of the agent response. We use the Fusio schema agent to build a new schema which represents a quote. Then we can set the schema at our quote agent. If we now ask for a quote, we get a fitting JSON response. At last, I want to show how an agent can use tools to invoke custom logic. We use the Fusio action agent to build an action which returns a list of popular composers. We can also directly execute and test the generated action. Then we create an operation so that we can use our action as tool. Basically, an agent can use every available operation as tool. We can see that the operation returns all popular composers. Now we can update our quote agent and enable our custom tool. We also need to update the instructions so that the AI uses our custom tool. Finally, we can ask for a quote, and we see that the AI internally uses a tool to get a list of composers, and then generates a quote based on this list. This brings us to the end of our demo. We have shown how easy you can build custom agents with Fusio. If you like our project, feel free to follow us on GitHub.